Okay, this is a Tek brush, paddle brush with long, whatchamacallies. I'm totally blanking on this word. I wanted to show it dirty just so you can see how easily the hair comes off of it. So do that one-handed. Yeah, so it cleans up really, really easily. It does not usually have purple things that I can't remember the name of, prongs. But I accidentally used it when I still had overtone dye in my hair, so I have permanently dyed the wooden bristles, but that's okay. So it has give, but it also can make it through my thick hair, so I appreciate that. The tangle teaser never gets through my hair. It makes this sound. I love this sound. So it's expensive, but I definitely think that it's worth it. My husband even uses it. He has shoulder length hair, and he was like, I am never using another brush again. So now we're sharing it, and it distributes the oils down your scalp like a boar bristle brush would, but the boar bristle brush again does not make it through my hair. This one does. It can also detangle. It's gentle. It has just the right amount of give where it can detangle, but it's not ripping at your hair. It feels so nice. It is like massaging on your scalp and just feels so nice to brush. And my hair has become super soft in the last few months, and I think that this is one of the reasons why. So the link for purchasing is in the description below.